Rise and shining, another day arriving. Ultralight beams. Ba ba ba. It's overdue. All the things I told you. Rise and shining. Rise and shine. Break me like tectonic lines, set adrift and make me all brand new. Tear the pages out my mind, make me blind and transfixed, hallelujah. I am the I am the I, and my wings are expanding, I'm conquering flight. No foreign appendages, this is the legend that they get to write. See with new sight, reaching new heights. Moonwalking like Mike, we be like titans whenever we touch. Heavens departed, the folk ran amok. Running till Shakespeare, I ran out of luck. Loving requited, I'm looking for puck. Love is organic, it don't have to rhyme. My heart is a planet and yours is the same. Maybe we'll orbit each other in time. I don't know. Break me like tectonic lines, set adrift and make me all brand new. Train me like your sacrament, blood to stain your lips, sweat hallelujah. Yeah. Polish me like spots on my apples. Pick me up and fix me. Take me off this breath apparatus. Wake me from my daydream. Breathe me in like your cigarello, hot but so addicting. Wrap me up like cold Sunday morning, drink me like your coffee. Ooh. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you saw, I added like some little nods for people who got me some things off of my Amazon gift list recently. The windscreen, the chopsticks, and the Bluetooth speaker. Thank you. If that was you, if you want to let yourself be known in the comments, I'm sure me and everyone else will show you love for it, and I appreciate you so much. It's actually blocking on the camera right now because it's pretty windy outside, so hopefully it's doing a good job. You guys can hear me. So yeah, like I said, announcement. I dropped my first video on YouTube. It was December the 19th. So it hasn't even been 3 months quite yet, and this channel's been just growing steadily, and there's been a community growing steadily, and I really appreciate that. So if you clicked subscribe from day one, if you click subscribe halfway, if you click just today, thank you. I appreciate you so much. So since I started my Patreon, people have been telling me like more than I can count. People have been saying I should start a Patreon. And when they told me, I would just be like, we'll see, maybe I might, who knows? Because I didn't have an idea for one. And I don't just want to start a Patreon
and just ask you guys to, like, be patrons to that, just for the sake of doing it. I want to be able to offer you something that I think is worth your time. And I mean, your patronage, obviously. So I had an idea like a year and a half ago when I was still doing TikTok. This is before I even thought I would ever be living in a van. It's a cooking idea. It's kind of like I don't want to say too much because it'll be coming out next week. But it's a different type of video. It'll still be a van life video. I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be a van life video 100% first and foremost, but then a cooking video as well, and it will be interactive where you guys can interact with me, and it can be like a game. And it's gonna the video is coming out next Thursday. So next Thursday I'll be dropping that video on this channel, and in the same breath I'll be launching my Patreon, which will have the day that it launches, it'll have extra content on it for you guys. So there'll be different tiers, but you'll at least be getting one extra vlog and one music video a month. And by music video, I mean just anything like me playing one of my original songs, me doing a cover, things like that. There'll be some different tiers, but everyone will get that. The higher the tier goes, you might get extra vlogs. I have one tier where you'll actually be able to choose a song for me to cover. So any song that you want, you can choose for me to cover. That will be on my Patreon available as well. And you'll get one extra video of the cooking video that I'm talking about. So I think you guys are really gonna like this one. It's different than, I've never seen anyone on YouTube or anywhere else in the world do this. So I'm really excited for it. It'll be dropping on this channel. I'll do at least once a month on this channel, and then you'll get extra on the Patreon. So yeah, next Thursday, be prepared. A great video is coming out, and also my Patreon will be launching. So anyone who wants to help me out on the Patreon, I'd really appreciate it. There's 4 different tiers. Anything you could do would obviously help me out so much, and I will be giving you extra videos, behind the scene content, photography, just like little things. If I'm just doing something like with Lars and I want to record it and put it on there, but it won't be on my YouTube, it'll be there. Anything extra will be on there for all of you who subscribe to my Patreon next Thursday. So yeah. Next Thursday, mark your calendars. There will be a video coming out, and it's gonna be awesome. Till then, this has been Winter is Blue. Hope you guys enjoyed the breakfast. I didn't even know this was, this wasn't even on my Amazon gift list. Someone got me a giant box of these noodles. What? Yo, thank you so much. I'm literally recording the vlog that you guys are watching right now, and the UPS man comes up. I got my Coleman camp oven and these amazing noodles that I didn't even have on my... Wow. Thank you guys so much.